Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to turn off Google Translate in Chrome. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to turn off Google Translate, it's actually quite easy. It's a pre-installed feature with Google Chrome. And I'm based in the UK, but if I went onto a website that's in Chinese, for example, or I don't know, like French or Arabic, what's going to happen? It's going to come up with a little pop-up asking if I would like the page to be translated. But this can get a bit annoying, and there is a way to turn this off. So what you need to do is actually open up your Google Chrome browser. And then what you want to do is come and click the three dots up in the top right-hand corner, and then come down and click onto Settings. So from this page, the best way to do it is if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's an advanced section. Go ahead and give that a click. Now Google does tend to update their settings pages frequently, the layout, so if you don't see this or if it looks a bit different, if you go to the top and there's a search bar, and if you actually type language into this, and it's going to bring up the section that we're looking for there as well. So basically what we're going to do is click the first drop down box where it says language, and you can see at the moment I've got English at the moment selected. And if you actually look down underneath where it says add languages, there's actually a section here which says offer to translate pages that aren't in a language you read. So what you would do is to turn off Google Translate, you would just click this little toggle switch here, and that's going to turn off Google Translate. So basically any pages you visit where your language isn't listed here, it's not going to now offer to translate. Obviously to turn Google Translate back on, you just need to come to the same option and click the toggle switch to turn it back on. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.